और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Jingiakhih University, Meghalaya.
Ki kimi ki kipa ki bayalam lang ya ki khon ki badang red karta kenthop ki samla police rang bat kanthai na ki judge benrio ba pher ki basyong basa hanong ba Shillong ki layalum lang ha parking lot Laitumkhrah Shillong ha ka arphulai terek unaitung arjar phunrio ban ai Kyrshan ye ki samla ki badang beteng ka Jingiakhih ha jantar mantar New Delhi ban persha ya ka jinglai tu ki jingkali ka examen need UG La saki baki longkemi ki Heprit bat ki Samla ki la raya ki plakat bat ki jingtho ki bapenrem ya ka sorkar NDA balayalam da ka BJP.
My name is Yashraj. I am a responsible citizen, and this particular peaceful gathering is being organized by parents, students and responsible citizens like us. And this is basically to stand with students, children who were beaten on 20th of July. And that is why we just want to show that they are not in this alone. Everyone in this country, including people from Shillong, we are standing with them in this together. Well, the message to the government is that whatever the protesters are demanding, there should be a dialogue between the government and the protesters and Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, who is on this strike for almost 25 days, and the education minister should definitely resign. Because it's high time that somebody should take accountability on this. That is the message to the government from our side. Only for today, we are not protesters. We are just independent citizens and responsible citizens who were just frustrated because we can't go to Delhi. We just thought that let's do something over here, and that's all. I can't say about that. I hope some result comes out because of this agitation, the peaceful gathering, the protest. Somebody should see what's happening in the country.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.